జ్యువెలరీ కోర్సు గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. పార్టిసిపెంట్ హ్యాండ్బుక్, క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ప్యాక్, జ్యువెలరీ రిటైల్ సేల్స్ అసోసియేట్ బేసిక్, సెక్టార్ గేర్ జెమ్స్ అండ్ జ్యువెలరీ, సబ్ సెక్టార్ జ్యువెలరీ రేటింగ్, ఆక్యుపేషన్ సెల్లింగ్, రెఫరెన్స్ ఐడి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు టర్మ్స్ అండ్ టేబుల్ ఆఫ్ కనెక్షన్స్. ఈ టేబుల్స్ అనమాట, సెక్షన్, దాని ఇండెక్స్ అంటారు. ఇండెక్స్ ఓకేనా. ఇప్పుడు హిస్టరీ. After completing this module, you will be able to know and understand history of Indian jewelry, symbolism in jewelry. History. India, like no other country, can rightfully boast of an unbroken heritage of jewelry design from the times of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Indian are known for their love of jewelry. India has a rich heritage in design and craftsmanship that is found even today. Gold was and is considered a sacred metal, a physical manifestation of the goddess Lakshmi. Hence, revered, respected and worshipped. Gold is the symbolic of the warm sun which the life. Pure gold does not oxidize the corroded with the time, which has the accident of the system of the gold immortally. One of the first of the start jewelry making were the people of the Indus Valley civilization who are creating the sophisticated earring necklaces and banding. Although women were jewelry the most, even many ancient in India wore a lot of jewelry, as is the case today. Even in the past, jewelry warning was associated with the social status, but jewelry adornment in the past also had rules such as only royalty and a few others whom they granted permission could wear good ornaments on the feet. They would normally be considered breaking the appreciation of the sacred metals, as the gold was considered as Lakshmi. Even through the Indian population of jewelry, Maharajas and people related to royalty had a deeper connection with jewelry. Traditional Indian jewelry shows the perfection of the mature understanding of the processing involving the jewelry creation, such as engineering, goldsmithing, silversmithing, engraving, inmilling, metal polishing, embroidery, and stone setting. All distinct individual occupations involving the long training and specialization. Indian jewelry with the Mughal jewelry largely respect the face of the Indian jewelry. The Dravidian and East Indian jewelry making technique are also very sophisticated and brilliant in their generation.